All right, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So bam, look at that, just a little overlay, I guess you can say. I've always wanted to wrap this or like get the real carbon fiber one, but you have to take out the whole steering wheel. You take out the airbag, you have to get the steering wheel like halfway off, so you can get like 2 bolts back here and then something else down here. I believe I might be a little off, so you can get this off and put a real carbon fiber one. But the way I see it is, I have a real carbon fiber hood and a real carbon fiber air duct. I don't need real carbon fiber interior. Like, that's a wrap. It's pretty bad, but I need to redo this. I still need to redo this, but that's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. I didn't do that part. And then that's wrapped right there too. So I figured, I remember the first time I did the video, I couldn't do this because I didn't want to take this off, and I'm still not going to take it off. I feel like it's dumb. So I saw on eBay, hey, it's just an overlay. Now when you put it on here, it's really flimsy, so it's literally just an overlay. The only part that's not going to fit flush is down here. You can still see a little bit of it, but everything else, once you like move it in, like, check it out. It fits good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start and just undoing all this. We're gonna go ahead and install this on the car. All right, I got it all off. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on, but I'm gonna start on the top and work my way down. That way the top part is pretty much leveled. That's pretty much gonna be it. Honestly, for a cheap eBay cover, it's not, definitely not the best, but like, pops out just a little bit right of, oop, keys fell, a little bit right there. You can see the gap right there and right there. And then the rears, it's okay. If I try pulling it off a little bit, it won't come off. You have to like really force it off. But let's go ahead and just, sorry guys, no cold start. I already had it on. Let's see. Yeah, so you can see it right there, just a layer of it. And then it looks like the right side didn't cover it too much. But other than that, that's it. I wonder if I can move it down a little bit. Hold on. I think I went a little too high. But whatever. If the cool thing about it, it somewhat matches, like this is gloss and this is like matte, so it's the same pattern, obviously, because you know, but it's fake. And if it's not bugging me right now, but if it starts bugging me, I can just take this off and use my leftover wrap to put this back on, and it will actually match perfectly. But for right now, I think it's okay. This is really cheap, guys. And again, like, I was looking at these online and they're like, what, 125 bucks if they're like in stock, and it's the whole trim right here. I'm not gonna pay that, dude. Remember, this is just a Civic. I'm just trying to have fun, so I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate on this, but I don't care because this is my car and I really like how this looks. This actually brought out the car a little bit better. Again, maybe one day I'll go ahead and buy the real, because I know Carbon Poland, I think that's what it's called, they sell like the whole trim, the handle, this, like all this right here. I know there's doors, and I know with like, you can get this like hydro dipped carbon. I like this how it is right here, but like just the little accents that were gray in the car, I thought carbon looked really cool. So yeah, I'm probably gonna leave this on. I'm not gonna lie. So, oh yeah, and I also got a JDM emblem finally. So yeah, yeah, I was also, oh, but yeah, the carbon Poland one, the whole kit, you're just looking for, I know for the FA5, dude, you're looking at like $500-600. And then eventually I would love to get their carbon fiber steering wheel. It's like a whole different design. It's almost similar to the Buddy Club for the 9th and 10th gens, but that's like $600. And look, I'm not gonna drop that on this. I would rather put that on something else. So eBay for the win. Hope you guys like my rice Civic. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.